Paris market is one of my favorite carrots because it is so sweet and delicious, and it grows so easily in clay and rocky soils, even in containers. This one is actually in a smart pot, and you can see how abundant they are. And when you're harvesting carrots, be sure that when you can see them, harvest these ones first, because you can see, oh wow, that one was bustling on top of this one. And I'm going to harvest this one too. And the more that I harvest the largest ones, then the smaller ones growing around them, then they have space that they can fully grow. And so that is important whether you're harvesting carrots, beets, turnips, radish, any root crop is going to function this way, and especially carrots. And oh, just look at these Paris market. I cannot wait to eat them and have fun growing and thinning and eating your carrots this season.